Hey, what's up, guys? I want to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend. But before I share with you that niche, I just want to share with you my two print-on-demand courses I'm selling on Gumroad. So the first one is a Merch by Amazon Masterclass. It's a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. It's only $39.99. You get 16 lessons, and it's over an hour of content. I teach you a lot of good stuff in this course about how to cross niche down, scale your designs, how to find trending niches, how to find evergreen niches, how to keep your account safe, how to check for trademarks, how to design styles, how to hire design, where to find graphics and designs. So if you're interested, check it out. This course is good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. And I also have one for Redbubble as well. It's also only $39.99. In this one, you get 20 lessons, and it's also over an hour of content. Also good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Redbubble. If we take a look at my credentials on merch, I'm a tier 8,000 seller, and I've done over 11,000 sales, and I've made over $37,000 in royalties on the Merch by Amazon platform. And if we take a look at my credentials on Redbubble, we're going to see that over the past 12 months, I've done over $2,000, with my best month being June 2022, where I did 317. So if you're interested in these courses, the links will be in the description, and I'll also have them as a pinned comment. Okay, now let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So the niche that I have for you today is Overstimulated Moms Club, and actually I found this on Redbubble. So if you go to Redbubble and you type in Overstimulated Moms Club, we're going to see that this keyword has a little arrow pointing up. That means it's trending. And so basically, when I'm looking for trending niches, I'll go to Redbubble sometimes. I'll see what's trending, and then I'll go ahead and I'll pop the keyword or the niche or the phrase into Amazon. And when we do that, we're going to see there's low results, only 57. And when we look at some of these designs and BSRs and when they were uploaded, we're going to see that a lot of these designs were actually just recently uploaded in December and November. So just a month or 2 months ago. So right here you can see November, December, and they have some pretty good BSRs. So 242, 316, this one's 329, and these are on hoodies, and hoodies pay pretty good royalties. But if we look for a t-shirt, we're going to see this one right here, Overstimulated Moms Club, has a BSR of 742, and it was uploaded also in November. Now, it's always a good idea to try and or to check to know or understand why something is trending, because you want to avoid doing something that's from any type of song lyric, like a Taylor Swift song or anything, or something that might be from a Netflix series. So if you go ahead and you just pop in Overstimulated Moms Club into Google, you're going to see that nothing pops up. It's basically just a bunch of t-shirt links. And when we go to tests, and we type in this phrase into test, we're going to see that Overstimulated Moms Club. When we hit enter, we're going to see nothing pops up, so the phrase is not trademarked. And when we look at the competition on some of the other print-on-demand platforms, we're going to see that on Etsy, Overstimulated Moms Club shirt, that keyword only comes up with 1,800 results, so very low in competition. If we go to Redbubble, we'll see that there's only 599 results. And as I always say, on Redbubble, if a trending niche is under 1,000 results, it's actually pretty good. Most of the time it's kind of over. And when we go to Tpublic, I saw that there's only 5 designs, so barely any competition on Tpublic. And remember, guys, don't sleep on Tpublic. This is what, well, for this month I only had 5. For this month I'm only $56, but over Christmas I did $350. So I know people don't like it because sometimes you only make $2 a sale, but I like Tpublic. I get sales pretty much on a daily basis here. So that is basically going to be the niche for today. Pretty simple design. You can just do this using the kind of the hippie groovy theme. That seems to be the popular way to do it. This is obviously going to be a t-shirt for moms, so you want to use mom, women, or maybe wife, or just women keywords in your title and description when you're uploading onto merch and the other print-on-demand platforms. And if you like this kind of content, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel. I put out videos on a regular basis about trending designs, design ideas to hopefully get you some sales on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you go to my channel right here, and you're looking for some other ideas, I have some other videos that I just put out recently. So you can just go to this first playlist right here. So here's some 5 trending niches that will be coming up in February. This one is a really good one about the lunar eclipse. If you were on merch back in 2017, you know what I'm talking about. Spring break, what is this? Black History Month, Valentine's Day. So if you're looking for some more ideas, you might want to check out my other videos. Consider subscribing. And if you're new on merch, you're new on Redbubble, and you're struggling to get sales and you need some guidance, you might want to consider checking out my courses. it's going to be a good starting point to get you some sales. All right, so that is basically it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.